Align the U-anchor according to the engineered design. Most designs are transferred to the roof surface with chalk lines. Install the U-anchor plate using the correct type and quantity of fasteners specified by your design professional. Tape off the area where work will be performed. The area must be 2 inches larger than the size of the fabric being installed. Apply your first coat of the 3-course process of coating to the marked-off area and on the plate. Embed the fleece fabric provided into the top wet layer of coating, ensuring proper embedment into the coating. After the manufacturer recommended drying time, apply the second layer of coating, covering the entire plate and fabric. This coating must extend beyond the outside edge of the fabric by 2 inches, or per the recommended roofing manufacturer's specification. Finally, install the separation disc and allow the area to dry completely prior to installing any additional hardware. It is not required to adhere this in place, as this is only used to protect the materials underneath and not for waterproofing. You have just completed installing the best anchoring system on the market for commercial roofs. Now you can go ahead and attach your mission-critical systems and components to the roof with confidence. Always be sure to have an experienced and professional roofer install your U-anchor while following the proper techniques and roofing manufacturer's written specification on every installation. And remember, if you need it installed on your roof, we can do that too. Thank you for choosing Anchor Products.